Have you ever wanted to just throw your phone against a wall because it is so unbelievably slow? You paid hundreds, maybe even $1,000 for this supercomputer in your pocket, and yet it takes forever just to open an app. The keyboard lags, scrolling is a nightmare, and you're left wondering, is my phone broken already? What if I told you there's a secret setting hidden deep inside your Android phone that the manufacturers don't tell you about? A setting that can instantly make your phone feel twice as fast, smoother, and more responsive than the day you bought it. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me, because today I'm going to guide you step by step through unlocking this powerful feature. By the end of this video, your phone will feel brand new. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, we need to unlock a hidden menu on your phone called Developer Options. Now don't let the name scare you. You don't need to be a coding genius, and this is a completely safe, built-in feature on every Android device. Think of it like a secret level in a video game that gives you superpowers. Here's what you need to do. Grab your phone and follow along. Open up your Settings app. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom and find About Phone. Tap on that. Inside this menu, you're looking for something called Software Information. Or it might just be a list of different details. What you need to find is the build number. Got it? Okay, here's the magic trick. You're going to tap on build number 7 times in a row. Go ahead, tap, 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 tap. As you do this, you'll see a little pop-up at the bottom of your screen counting down, and on the 7th tap, it will say, "You are now a developer." Congratulations, you've just unlocked the secret menu. You now have access to a whole new world of customization that was hidden from you before. Easy, right? Now for the really fun part. Now that you've unlocked Developer Options, it's time to find the secret settings that will supercharge your phone. Go back to your main Settings menu. If you scroll down, you should now see a new option that wasn't there before. Developer Options. It's usually right above or below About Phone. Go ahead and open it. You're going to see a huge list of very technical-looking options. Don't get overwhelmed. We're only looking for 3 specific settings. Scroll down slowly and carefully until you find a section related to drawing or animation. You're looking for these 3 exact lines: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. By default, your phone has all 3 of these set to 1x. What does that mean? It means every single time you open an app, switch between screens, or see a pop-up, your phone is playing a 1-second-long animation. These animations look pretty, but they add up and create that feeling of lag and slowness. Here's the game-changing trick. Tap on each one of those settings, Window, Transition, and Animator, and change them from 1x to 0.5x. What you're doing is literally cutting the animation time in half. Your apps will now open almost instantly. Windows will appear and disappear in a flash. The entire experience will feel incredibly snappy and responsive. Some people even turn them off completely, but I find 0.5x is the sweet spot. It's fast, but still feels smooth. Go ahead and try it. Open and close a few apps. The difference is night and day, isn't it? Your phone just got a massive speed boost without costing you a dime. But wait, there's more. While we're inside this secret Developer Options menu, let me give you a few extra bonus tips to squeeze out even more performance and make your phone feel like a brand new flagship device. First, let's talk about background apps. The more apps running in the background, the more memory and battery your phone uses, which slows everything down. Scroll down in Developer Options until you find Background Process Limit. By default, it's set to Standard Limit, which can mean a lot of apps are running. Change this to, at most, 2 processes, or 3 processes. This tells your phone not to keep more than 2 or 3 apps running in the background at once, freeing up precious resources for what you're actually doing. Next, let's get rid of the bloatware. Go back to your main Settings, then to Apps. Go through this list and find any pre-installed system apps that you never, ever use. You might not be able to uninstall them, but you can disable them. Disabling an app prevents it from ever running in the background, saving you battery and performance. And finally, a simple but crucial tip. Free up your storage space. A phone with a full storage drive is like a car with a full trunk. It's just going to be slower. Aim to keep at least 15–20% of your phone's total storage free. Delete old photos, videos, and apps you don't need. When you combine these small tweaks with our animation trick, the results are incredible. Your phone will feel faster, smoother, and more powerful than ever before. So there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've unlocked hidden settings and transformed your slow, frustrating phone into a lightning-fast speed machine. No more lag, no more waiting, just pure, snappy performance. Go try this on your phone right now, and I want you to come back and tell me in the comments just how much of a difference it made. I love hearing your results. Did it blow your mind? If you found this video helpful and learned something new, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. And make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss out on more tech secrets just like this one. And hey, if you have a friend who is always complaining about their slow phone, be a hero and share this video with them. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to help you make your tech work better for you. I'll see you in the next video.